My name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today, let's explore what the Optimize rate feature is in Translate.Video. Have you ever tried those sites where when you upload a video, it comes very fast like this? Or if the voice was very slow.
I wish my voice was of normal pitch.
I couldn't even finish the sentence. Let me introduce you to the Optimize rate button. It's not that crazy. Let me tell you more about it. As you can see here, this is a decently long video. Here you can go chunk by chunk and change the rate from here. But for longer videos, we do not want the hassle. For that, we have created the Optimize rate button. Here, once you click on it, you can either optimize the rate and from here itself and make everything in a normal pace, which can be done automatically by the AI. Or you can click on do you want to input the rate. Now here according to you, you can set the rate. Make sure that you keep the rate between 0.9 to 1.2. This frame is ideal for the speech rate for most of the languages. This is how you can make use of the Optimize rate button in Translate.Video. If you liked the video, do press the like button, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. And do subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I hope you were able to find the Easter egg. Thank you for watching.